making falafel. And a few years ago, I went to a restaurant in London and I learned to make a proper falafel then. And since then, I make it so often because it is so easy to make. The only thing you do need to remember is soak the chickpeas overnight. Here I have got a cup of dried chickpeas which I soaked overnight, and they have puffed up really well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this out. I was given a tip by a falafel expert that you never drain these. You always take them out like this. So that's what I always do. Thing to go into the chickpeas is 1 or 2 green chilies as per your taste, and then 1 onion, and I'm just going to roughly chop this. There goes the chopped onion, and I'm also going to add 3 cloves of garlic. And one of the key things is lots and lots of herbs. So there goes really nice fresh parsley, a good bunch goes in there. Then goes in just roughly chopped coriander leaves into the mix. And I'm just going to blitz it a little bit. I don't want to puree it, but just a little bite to it. It was a tablespoon of ground cumin. Yes, we need a lot of cumin in this. A teaspoon of ground coriander, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And last thing to go in is 2 tablespoons of gram flour or chickpea flour. And now mix. So you just keep mixing, just mix it up so all the spices have distributed well. And what you want is then able to just roll it with your hand. I think it's a bit more moist, so what I'll do is I'll add another tablespoon of gram flour, and then I am going to fry this. So you really could do this with one hand, just if you roll them and just shape them like an egg, mini egg, and then it goes in hot sunflower oil. And you need to cook this on medium to low heat once it's gone in, because if you cook it on really high heat, the inside won't cook through. So yeah. And look at that. And these go with so many things. You can eat them obviously in a pitta with some salad and some yogurt, some other chutneys. The list goes on. But actually we like to eat it with sometimes with ketchup and sometimes with the coriander and mint chutney. Wow. So good. And also, I have sometimes made a bit extra mixture, left it in the fridge, the next day fried them fresh. Sometimes I fried and left them in the fridge and just reheated them in the microwave. So yes, you can work according to your convenience, but definitely give this a go. Enjoy it. They are ready in minutes. If you've soaked the chickpeas, then they are ready in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again very soon with a brand new recipe.